Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix blurry Instagram stories. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Simply open up your Instagram app and then simply tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're in your profile page, simply tap on the 3-bar icon on the top right corner of the screen. And once you're there, simply tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down, and here, under your app and media, you'll see an option that says Media Quality, right? Simply tap on that, and here, if this Use List Seller data is turned on, then that might be causing your Instagram stories to be blurry, right? So simply turn that off, and toggle the upload at highest quality on, right? And once you do that, once you do these things, your issue should be fixed. And the next method that you can use is just go to your web browser and then simply on the search bar type in down detector, and then tap on the first link that is shown to you and check to see if the Instagram server is working correctly or not. And then the next thing that you can do is check your Wi-Fi connection as well, because if your Wi-Fi connection isn't strong, the Instagram will automatically decrease your quality while uploading your stories and seeing the stories, right? So make sure to be connected to the strong Wi-Fi connection as well. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.